Okay. Fucking shit. The entrance is always the worst part. This kind of looks like a livestock farm. Okay, yes. I was right. This was actually a poultry farm because of the feeders. Yep. This was all used for the same goal. Grow animals. Shit. I have the slight feeling that I'm being watched. By the way, today is 10/12/2022. This would be a great spot. For someone to be hiding. What is this? What kind of creativity is this? TV display? Old computers? An old printer? This is weird. Not gonna lie. I have a weird feeling about this. I don't know why, but let me just see what they wrote here. I don't quite understand this calligraphy. Okay, never mind. $37, $43. There might be more than 50 farms in this territory. Another one. I'm not going to check all of them, but this is a timer model used for the amount of hours that the animals needed. So they would control the time here, the time of light. Okay. This is number 4. Yep. Full of crap. hear screams in the distance. Holy fuck. The fuck is this place anyway? I hear some mannequin. They even had a coffee machine. How handy. I'm hearing dogs. I always have to be. I forgot my gloves. Okay, whatever. Interesting. Quite interesting. Fuck. This one is there's nothing inside. It's empty. They're red. You didn't have much luck, did you? You might have died from age. At least I hope. So there's more barriers here. I don't quite get it, to be honest with you. Why would someone, or maybe, hold on a minute. Maybe this was used for something else. While the farms were still active. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe to separate or reorganize the poultry. I just don't know what kind of animals they would produce here. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Was that a dead body? But it doesn't make much sense, because if it was a dead body, the smell would stink. the smell would be unbearable. Hold on a minute. Just get some balls. Okay. Calm down. He can be a dead body. No, it's not. Fucking shit. Dude, shut up. No, it's not. It's not a dead body. That hand. No. Fuck. This is a satanic ritual or something. Yep, it's not. Fuck. It's not a dead body. Yep, it is not. Yep, it's just a mannequin. Shoot. Fuck. You scared the crap out of me. Oh my god. Let me just have the... It is not. It's a fucking doll. Holy fuck. Let me get some air. I don't even know what to say. No. I'm not entering there, in that place again. That felt old though. Might be there for quite some time. So, the same with this spot. Fuck. There's a pad here. And feels like people cross this place. I see that. No, it's not only used. This was not only used for poultry. There was some swines here as well. Yep. All right. There's a bunch of them. The fuck? More weird stuff. There are some weird people out there. Maybe this place was used for some Halloween festival or something. This is some ammo. I get it now. It all makes sense. People come here to play. And this is the big amusement park. That's the big reason why I'm here. I'll have to move quietly. Or at least die trying. Oh, there's a pussycat. A little pussycat right there. Holy fuck. Yeah. I like this place a lot. Oh, 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 oh. I didn't expect this to do such a noise. Nice. I want to go up, but it's fucking closed. All right. Maybe I'm not going up. I might be able to. All right. This might collapse at any moment. All right. It's doable. Okay. How fucking handy. Alright. What the fuck is that? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. This is a maze. Marilyn Monroe. This is a fucking maze. Holy shit. They had some real shit going on here. Is there a way up? I don't think so. These people are just maniacs. Just how I like it. And I love the skull here. It gives it a really cool touch. No fucking way. This is just mental. I've never seen anything like this before. So there's two teams. The Viper one and that green one. Holy fuck. Fuck. Dude. These people are just amazing. Just that might attract a lot of people. And this was the big motor, I presume. Fucking shit. Holy shit, that's big. This is not really secure. Holy fuck. I'll kill you. Of course you will. I presume these are the stairs that go to the roof. This is a little bit claustrophobic. You even had an elevator and everything. No. There's no one inside. Huh. A bathroom and everything. Huh. This is some old machine. Come on. Gotta be kidding me. I have to. That's cool. Can still see some words. Fuck. Oh. This is a real satisfying keyboard for all the maniacs that like this sound. There you have it. Now, all right, there you go. Just keep going up. That's right. Holy shit. This keeps going. Holy fuck. Fuck you. What the fuck is going on here? Was a fucking dove or a pigeon. Fuck. You gotta keep going up. Yeah. Disgusting. Full of bird shit. Oh. Well, I guess I found the bathroom too late. A toy spider. More machinery and all of that good stuff. Finally got some fresh air. This is a nice view. I did not expect to walk so much. Okay. Okay. All right. My balls.